how to find free Patreon posts from your favorite creators. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can find free Patreon posts from your favorite creators. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So this is really easy. All you have to do is open up your Patreon and make sure that you're logged in into your account. So do that if you have not done that yet. And after you do that, as you can see, there is a find a creator homepage here. Now let me just set this up real fast and tap on cancel. Okay, so let's say that this is my home screen here on my Patreon. So on the top, you'll find a search bar. On the search bar, head over to the search bar and search for whatever creator is your favorite. I'll just search for art. And after you search for that very creator, simply tap on their profile. After you tap on their profile, you will be able to see their posts that are available for the public. As you can see, there are a lot of free public posts available here, and then you can simply view their posts, and some even provide free memberships with limited access. So you can become their member and just have limited access for free, and that's basically how you can find free Patreon posts from your favorite creators. Thanks for watching guys, that's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.